So here at the ARMTechCon 2011, you're showing Armada 618 in actual shipping products.
Yeah, the Armada 618 is our single-core multimedia high-performance processor. It's optimized for mobile applications, very, very low-power, low-leakage process technology. This is a mass-market shipping product. This is from Vizio. This is the V-Tab. And this guy here is running Android, and it's got, of course, Angry Birds, very important. Guess I pushed it for too long. So, all of your basic Android games and apps, full access to the Android market. And this is a product that is shipping at large stores like Costco and Walmart. Actually, check Costco.com. It's actually below $200. So this is really one of the few name brand tablets that you can get for a very, very low price.
So sub 200, capacitive, 8-inch, very high multimedia support, and all the games, all that will work. All games work, 3D.
Any Android game, it's got 3D optimized. So, one thing that's really important is capacitive multi-touch. That's one of the reasons I love to show Angry Birds, is because it shows off the multi-touch and how quickly the screen responds.
All right. Cool.
And also some things that are built into this processor. We have HDMI native support directly from the chip. And so we use a micro HDMI out. So you can actually plug this directly into a television. And that's important to a customer like Vizio because obviously they're in the television business. The other thing that's unique to this tablet is that it actually has an infrared blaster and a remote application. So you can actually, it's under one of these piece of plastic here. But you can actually use this as a universal remote. Show you that. There's actually a remote control, which probably will want to configure itself, so it may not do very much yet. But there's a remote control app that's actually very popular. Another thing that's kind of nice about this tablet is that it has stereo speakers in two directions. So what they did is they put on two sets of speakers. So if you're looking at it this way, in a portrait orientation, the speakers are on the top, and you'll have stereo. If you turn it into this mode, to say watch a movie, you'll also have two speakers, one here, one here.
All right.
And so that way, it's either way you have it, it's stereo. So, it does do great web browsing. Actually, our processor is very optimized for Adobe Flash. So you get very good Flash 10 support. And then, of course, video is very important, whether it's Flash-based YouTube video or watching a movie you download.
Cool. And this is a reference design by Marvell on the same chip, yeah?
Yeah, so this one, and actually this one's a little bit newer. And essentially, I don't remember if this guy's charged up, but this is basically the reference design we give to our customers. And so, it's a little bit bigger. We want to put a big screen and a lot of features. And then, of course, the customer decides what the final version will look like. So with the Vizio, for instance, they took this guy here. And you can pop it open. There's all kinds of debug ports and such. They use this as the reference to make this. And with a lot of our reference designs, not only do we give out the board to run your software on, but we give out all the schematics and the layout so the customers can actually use whatever parts of that they want.
Right. So there's backlit keys on both sides. Nice. All right. Thanks a lot.